In this video, I will show you how to fix this error which may occur when we try to start the Tomcat server using XAMPP. So here when I click on this start button, I obtain this error. So here we need to make sure that the Java JDK or JRE is installed correctly and that the port numbers are free. In my case, the port numbers are free. So let's check if the JDK is installed correctly or not. Let's open the command prompt. And here we can type Java --version. So here we can see that the JDK is installed correctly and this is the version that I have. So to fix this error, we need to add the Java home to the environment variables. So first let's go to the folder where the Java JDK is installed. In my case, I installed the Java JDK in the Java folder and I want to use this JDK. So let's copy this path and let's add it to the system environment variables. So let's go to System, then Advanced System Settings, then Environment Variables. Then here we need to define the Java Home environment variable. So we can see that I don't have it. Let's create it. So let's click on New. Then here let's type Java_home. And let's paste the path just here. Then OK, OK, OK again, and let's close this window. Now let's click on the Start button again. But we still have the same problem, so we need to close this application and to start it again. So let's click on Quit. And let's start XAMPP again. Now let's click on Start. And this time we can see that it is running correctly. So here we have several port numbers. So to know what is the role of every port number, we can click on Config, then Service and Port Settings, then Tomcat. And here we can see that the HTTP port number is this port number. So we can copy it. Let's go to the browser. Then here let's type localhost / 8080. Let's press enter. And we obtain this page.